is something we need. It's a leap of faith. Oh, if you have the will and the moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. I was old, I was young, I was sitting in the sun. I was tired of the run, I was done. Life was great, life was hard, in a way an awful card. You can't win the losing hand. But the rain stopped falling and the line on the floor was crossed, and the pain I'd been feeling washed away to return another day. I was cold, I was bold, I had fragmented my soul into pieces contradicting themselves. Perhaps it is as it is, how the world is the mess, means that every heart and soul needs to be whole. And the road signs keep changing as the road stretches out ahead, and the mood keeps on changing. All I wanna do is lie down in bed.
Threave Gardens lies just off the southwest of Castle Douglas. The gardens were originally established alongside Threave House, built in 1872, on the rising land to the east of the valley of the River Dee, and commanding excellent views west to the hills of the Galloway. Reef House was built by William Gordon, a Liverpool businessman who had bought the Threave Estate as a summer home for his extensive family in 1867. He preferred this location for the house to the lower parts of the estate, extending to the River Dee and including Threave Island and Threave Castle.
I was tired of the run.
The house and the estate were passed to the National Trust for Scotland by William's bachelor grandson, Major Alan Gordon, in 1948. The National Trust for Scotland have since continued to maintain and develop the 24 hectares of gardens around Threave House as a visitor centre. The gardens also serve as a live classroom for the National Trust for Scotland's School of Practical Gardening, which offers much sought after one-year courses in the practical skills of community gardening. The course is based in Threave House, part of which has been converted into flats for students. The public rooms at Threave House have been restored much as they would have been in 1938, and guided tours are available to the public in the summer. The gardens are sited amid generally west-sloping wooded parkland. They make no attempt to reflect any particular period of gardens history, instead serving the expectations of today's visitors and the need of the School of Practical Gardening. Near the entrance to the estate, a 1-acre walled garden, built to provide Threave House with fruit, vegetables and cut flowers. The original glass house in the walled garden had coal fires built into its hollow walls to help extend the season over which produce could be grown. The current glasshouse was built in 1997 and includes 3 temperature zones. The cool house is home to the rhododendrons from Asia, while the tropical house contains orchids, bananas and bird of paradise plants. Elsewhere you'll find a series of discrete gardens. These include the secret garden, accessible via a labyrinth arch, a peat garden, a rock garden, a rose garden, a woodland garden, and the pond and waterfall. The Discovery Garden is designed to inspire children with its mown grass paths leading through the wildflower meadows.
I was cold, I was bold, I had fragmented my soul into pieces contradicting themselves. Perhaps it is, as it is, how the world is the mess, means that every heart and soul needs to be whole. And the road signs keep changing as the road stretches out ahead. And the mood keeps on changing. All I wanna do is lie down in bed. How are you? Are you blue? I can sense a sadness in you. Don't you worry, every storm passes on.